This is what usually happens when someone presents in a Zoom meeting using just their laptop screen. They open their PowerPoint, then go to Share Screen, select the PowerPoint window, and share it. But everyone can see all of their slide thumbnails before the slideshow actually starts. Then they switch to slideshow, click From Beginning, and only then does the full presentation appear. But the thumbnails were already visible. There's a better way to share your slides without showing your thumbnails. First, go to your PowerPoint and click From Beginning. If you can't see your Zoom window anymore, press Alt plus Tab on your keyboard. Hold Alt and keep tapping Tab until you switch back to the Zoom meeting. Now share your screen and select the PowerPoint slideshow. This way, viewers only see the full slide, not the thumbnails. But there's an even easier way if you only have one screen and don't want to use Alt plus Tab. Go to the Slideshow tab in PowerPoint, click Set up Slideshow, and select the second option, Browsed by an individual window. Click OK. Now when you start your slideshow, it appears inside a resizable window. You can adjust the height and width to remove any black bars and position the window wherever you want. You can even set this up before the Zoom meeting starts. Once you have it arranged, just go to Zoom and share that PowerPoint slideshow window. Now your audience only sees the clean presentation view, and everything fits on your single screen.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.